What's up, guys? We got in front of us a Vivid Voltage booster box I just recently opened. I already started going through the packs. As you can see, we already have a Celebi out. We already have a Togekiss VMAX out. And we already have a Galarian Sirfetch'd out. And all these cards are clean. These are probably going to bulk PSA order. Yeah, they're coming out really clean. So, we're always shooting for that Pikachu VMAX or the other Pikachu, but you can't get mad when you get cards this clean. Centering is pretty spot on if you see that. Alright, well, I'll go ahead and open 2 more of these packs. Just to include you guys in here. Give you these 2 code cards too. Some other ones from some other packs I've opened. This is about the 5th pack I opened. So let's see if we could get something here on maybe on the last 2 packs. A little crazy if I get that Pikachu. Let's see what we could get out of here. Excadrill, Gargo, Galarian Mouth, Duskull, Voltorb, Weedle, Drober, Weedle, and Jolteon. Okay. I was just getting my cards together, putting together a list to send to get graded. Thinking about sending about four cards regular to PSA, then sending some also economy service to BGS. Dang, these are hard. Okay. Let's see, man. Why are these so hard to get out? Sometimes these packs are a pain in the butt to open. A white dot on the back. Poochyena, Rockruff, Blitzel, Skiddo, Ferrocy, Zygarde, and Hollow Zapdos. We have a bunch of these guys, so if you want one, let me know. Alright. Let's go one more. Well, give me some luck. Right before I started streaming or recording it, I pulled those 2 full art cards, so I don't know how more lucky we could be right now. Most likely I'm gonna wait for Kim to open the rest of the box. She's a lucky one here. Got Nessa, Swallow, Clefairy, Welmer, Dynamo, Execute, Chatot, Swellow Reverse, and Mega. Okay. Alright, let's do one more here. Yeah, go ahead and do one more here. Fuck my... Oh. Man, there's glue on these packs. Oh my God. it's anything. But let's go ahead and check. Kakuna, Uchiana, Charmander, Chatot, Joltik, Cottony, Alistair, and Shaman, of course. Shaman. Alright, this is the last one for sure. For show. Let's try to get it in here. Come on now. Come on now. Man. I think it's a green one. Come on now. Come on now. So just trying to fill out a form online for BGS and PSA, and BGS is a pain in the butt to fill it out online. Okay, Flareon. I need at least one more hit. I need at least one more hit. It's crazy. Dang. Had to get it all the way around the corner on that one. Oh, man, it's dead with these green cards. Alright, come on now. Give me at least one more white code card, please. That's all I need. That's all I need at this moment. I just need one code card. Alright, let's go. Helmet, Galvantula, Whismur, Drober, Whalmer, Cottony, Galabupus, Larian Melf, and Donphan. Okay. The trash pile so far, nothing really. So you should still have at least one more amazing rare and at least one more full art card, which I'm hoping is a Pikachu VMAX. Nothing would make my day. Alright, last pack, hopefully. I don't want to open any more. And some of these booster packs in here is just glue and stuff, just nasty on them. Oh my god. Alright, come on. Bea, DeWalt, Dedenne, Drober, Oshawott, Duskull, Pharaoh Seed, Reverse Hollow Alcremie, pretty nice. Yeah, pretty nice card. But nothing what we're looking for, man. Come on now. Give me at least a full art. Give me at least a white code card. Come on. Getting real tough out here, guys. Getting real tough out here. It's late at night. I need to get a hit. That's crazy. How many packs have we gone without a hit already? It's absolutely nuts. Go. Ferrothorn, Slugma, Beldum, Milcery, Wooper, Nikeda, Wiscott, and Shedinja. Alright guys, nothing yet. Dang. Okay. Come on now. Trying not to get discouraged here. Trying. It's a little tough at the moment with all these green code cards coming up. And this is what we needed right here. This is where we're at. Let this be the last pack for now. Come on now. Come on now. It's on the bottom. So this card's backwards. Hope it's a good card. Mightyena, Trumbeak, Hitmontop, Marion Mouth, Cottony, Arrokudo, Nincada, Pikipek, Reverse Hollow Dreadnought, and Ampharos V. Pretty cool card. I like this. I like this Dreadnought. Ampharos. There it is, guys. Ampharos. It's a nice card. I like it. I don't even have any room to put him. Let's just keep going. Just keep going. Just keep seeing. Okay, come on now. Come on now. Come on now. We're picking up some fire now. Okay. We're picking up some fire now. Come on now. Come on now. Shuckle, Cramorant, Drone Rotom, Seedot, Electrike, Clefairy, Fanfy, Yanma, Dewalt. Ooh, and no bottle. Oh. We don't have her yet, but that doesn't mean I necessarily wanted her. I'll take it though. These boxes can't always be fire. Back is pretty clean. Centering's clean on it. Centering's not that good on the front. It's more on the right than on the left, but their overall card is clean though. That's nice. Okay. That's nice. So these are our 3 full arts so far. So if we get anything else, I think it would just be really lucky on our part. So I'll put these down here. I'll get through the last 2 packs here just to see what's in them. I hope you guys are enjoying the break so far. I know it's been kind of a downer for me just because I haven't really gotten the cards I'm looking for. That could all change right here. Seems like it's going to be a regular hollow. Put you over here. Mightyena, Beauty, Stone, Trubbish, Shuppet, Choodle, Rylu, Eevee, Woobat, and Deontay. I like that Deontay hollow, but I'd rather pull full art. But I have this one ready, so that's nice, I guess. All these bulk ones I try to get rid of that are right here. I try to get rid of on eBay, most likely for cheap. But we'll see. Alright, well, maybe we could pull in a amazing rare from this one, end off the night. If not, stay tuned. Kim and I are going to open the rest of these boosters. And she has way more luck than I do, so I'd rather wait for her to open these. Careless, Dusclops, Voltorb, Rockruff, Whismur, Trubbish, Dynamo, Crocroak, and Shedinja. So these are 2 hits for that one. Alright guys, so best hits so far from that box. Let's see here. The hollows, put little hollows up there. But this one, I did pull 2 other V cards from this box that also here. So there's some of the other ones I've pulled from that box. So we already have a Togekiss V. So we got a few V cards, a few hollows. Is what we've pulled so far from there too. So 2 V cards, Lucario on this guy. But our main hits from that box so far, from half the box right now that we're stopped. We got Togekiss VMAX, we got Galarian Surfetch'd, Full Art, and we got Opal. Full Art, and can't forget about Celebi. That's gonna be it. So like I said, I am getting a PSA order ready. These might go in the bulk, most likely, just to see what I could get out of them.